In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MailChimp email campaign benchmarking. First, go ahead and open your MailChimp account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage your email campaigns. Once you're signed in, look for the option to create a new email. Click Create Email to begin setting up your campaign. After that, you'll be asked to enter a title for your campaign. This title is mainly for your own reference inside MailChimp, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. For this example, you can enter Campaign Benchmarking. Using a descriptive title helps you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple emails at the same time. Next, move to the Audience section, where you'll choose who the email should be sent to. In the Send To area, select the audience or contacts you want included. You'll also see a Do Not Send To option. This is useful if you want to exclude a specific segment or group from receiving the campaign. For example, this can help prevent sending to people who shouldn't receive that particular message. Once your selection is complete, save it so MailChimp records the audience settings properly. Now, enter the sender details. You'll need to add the name and email address that should appear as the sender of the campaign. Make sure these details are accurate and professional, since recipients will see them in their inbox. A clear sender name can also improve trust and recognition. When you're finished, save your changes. Then, enter the subject line for the email and click Save. The subject line is one of the most important parts of any campaign because it's the first thing your audience sees. Keep it relevant to the email content and easy to understand. After that, select the Design Email option. This is where you choose the layout and appearance of your message. Apply the design you want to use, and then customize it based on your content, branding, and goals. You can adjust the text, images, colors, and overall structure so the email matches your message. As you customize, it's a good idea to review everything carefully to make sure the design looks polished and consistent. Once everything is complete and you're satisfied with the setup, click Send to launch the campaign. That's how to use MailChimp email campaign benchmarking by creating and preparing your email campaign step by step. Take your time with each section, save your changes as you go, and review the final version before sending to make sure everything looks correct.